Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some deals that's happening over at Target this week. There's quite a few Shopkick bundles that's happening with some really great offers. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So we have a deal on some facial mist. You want to go ahead and pick one of these up, priced for $5.99. We do have a 20% off circle offer, which will take off $1.20, and we're getting $3 back on Ibotta. And we also have a Shopkick offer between the buy and scan cakes, giving us $1.70, which would make the final cost 9 cents. All right, so my store had a few clearance out Grove Co. dish soap products. And so in my store, the orange and rosemary dish soap was ringing up for $3.49. But we do have a Shopkick offer between the buy and scan kicks. We're gonna receive 870 kicks, which is a total of $3.48, which would make the final cost of the soap just 1 cent. We have a P&G bundle deal also happening over at Target using Shopkick. So what you want to do is pick up a Febreze product priced at $2.99, one of the Dawn dish soaps priced at $1.29, and then also pick up one of the Mr. Cleans priced at $3.29. You'll pay $7.57 out of pocket, but between your in-store kicks and your buy kicks on Shopkick, you're gonna receive $8.14, making the final cost of all three of these products free plus a 57-cent moneymaker. Then we have a burger bundle deal on Shopkick too. So what you want to do is pick up the Clausen's pickles priced at $4.99, pick up one of the Heinz ketchup for $2.59, and then you also want to grab one of the Kraft singles, which is priced at $5.99. All of those products will total you $12.87, but between the buy and scan kicks on Shopkick, you're gonna receive $8.78 back, which would make your final cost for all three of those products just $4.09. All right, so those are the deals that I have for you this week over at Target. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.